Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into this week's Amazon tool deals, where I look for tools that are on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. Also, all of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent link, so it's very easy to find. I'll have two additional links that say tools and tools continued. Those will take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest. So that's all there for you guys. But let's go ahead and get into today's first item, that being the Tsunoda slip joint pliers. I've had these since May of 2024. I used them in the garage for, 3 to 6 months or so. Fantastic set of pliers. Ever since then, I've been using them in my work truck at work, and I just use them for light duty stuff, but still fantastic. And I work outside primarily, and they have held up so well. These Tsunoda, if you've never heard of them, based in Japan, they make a lot of fantastic pliers. This is one of the only other slip joint pliers out there that actually uses 3 different positions, where the icon and snap-on kind of use that pyramid style or shape. The Tsunoda is a 3 position in a straight line, so that's going to keep the jaws parallel when you adjust them to the medium or large size, where typically if you go to the middle size or the middle hole on the icon or snap-on, it's going to raise one jaw higher than the other. This keeps them at the same height, but these are also designed to, you can kind of see the shape up here towards the nose, how they curve on the inside for the jaw. That's going to allow them to open up and be more parallel when grabbing larger things. So like as you can see here, the more you open them, the more kind of parallel they get. They just grip so well. Now the only thing I wish that was different about these pliers is I wish they had cross hatching in the teeth up front. But other than that, these things have been fantastic. You got your shear cutter there, still nice, large, good biting teeth, and those 3 positions are fantastic. I have a full review on this set of pliers if you guys want to go watch that, but this is made in Japan. Beautiful quality and just a great set of pliers with 3 positions, and it's just kind of your classic kind of design for slip joints, but with, some nice additional features. This is at $19, which even at this price I think is a fantastic price for this, and they basically always sit at this $19 price range. They also have a 6-inch pair for $22, so this is definitely the better price for a slightly larger set. But this has 4.7 stars, 89 ratings. Next up, we're looking at another Japan product. This is the Sunflag screwdriver set. It's going to include your Phillips or JIS, I should say, 1, 2, and 3. So JIS is going to work with Phillips, but Phillips doesn't work on JIS. So it's always nice to have some JIS screwdrivers around, and Sunflag is actually one that I haven't used. I have a lot of tools made in Japan, and they're all phenomenal quality. So this is one that I may pick up, especially since they're priced so well also. This is just one of a few items that they offer. But I like the handle design. I like the fact that they're JIS. I like that they're made in Japan, because that just makes me feel like I can trust the quality even more. And this is called their Perfect Grip. This is at $31.90, down from $33.90 that's the typical price. So that's a pretty decent deal. Here you can see the packaging that it comes in. It is magnetic. I really like that handle design. It's almost kind of like a ball grip, but not a ball grip, but not your typical handle shape. And then they have a set that's in the blue handles. That's going to be your full tang through. So it does have a striking cap on the back, but this one's at just under $37, where the non-striking set is at just under $32. So if it's worth it, the extra $4, you can get a striking version of this screwdriver set. I thought it was pretty nice. Let me know if you guys have any experience with this, but I think this is a really good set for the price, especially being made in Japan. So here we are looking at the Orbis angled combination pliers. This is a set of pliers made in Germany. These are 7.5 inches, and this is one of a couple different designs that they have for angled pliers. This is kind of nice for awkward situations or situations where you're working in like a tight area, and if you're trying to grab something with your pliers or work on something with the pliers, your hand can be in the way. This kind of gives you just enough angle to be able to see what you're doing when you're working in those awkward situations. So I do like that. These are at $36, down from a list price of basically $46. So a decent amount of savings on that. But even though this is on discount, and I think $36 is a fair price for this, you will see this drop to $30. So I definitely think if you are interested and you're okay with waiting, it is pretty common to see this drop to about the $30 price range. So you can still save a little bit more on top of the list price as well. Unfortunately, that's the only photo we have of this set of pliers. There you can see made in Germany around the pivot, and then you can see it up here below the pivot. But you got slightly finer teeth up front, and then as it moves into the open jaw, you got a little bit more aggressive, larger teeth, and then you have a cutter as well. Definitely a good one if you find yourself working in those awkward, tight areas every once in a while. This has 4.6 stars, 44 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Railer 20-piece screwdriver bit set. This is premium S2 steel. These are 1-inch bits. They are impact rated, and it comes with the little storage organizer. I have a set very similar to this. Railer has a bunch of different sets that come with various different bits. This is at $17. You can get it in the orange and save $1 and get it at $16. I'm not mentioning this one due to a sale or anything. I just think Railer makes some pretty dang good bits and organizers for the price. Even just having the organizer, maybe you have a preferred bit. These are great little organizers. Bits fit really well in them. You got a little carabiner to clip it on your bag or your belt or whatever you want to. But honestly, I've been using the Railer bits for, I don't know, a couple years. They hold up well for weekend wear DIY stuff and probably like automotive mechanic work. A lot of them, obviously, you're not going to use square or anything like that, but that's why it's nice that Railer has a bunch of different sets with various different bits. You can kind of go through all their stuff. So like here you can see they have multiple different sets, and here you can actually see that they have an OD green version. This is the drywall bit set, and then they also have a high vis green as well. So I mean, it just depends on what bit set you're looking at. Some of them come in various different color options as far as the organizer. The set we are looking at here has 4.2 stars, 35 ratings. Next up is a Labear, which is a brand that I've been mentioning probably for a little over a year now. This is a 33-piece set. I think I've mentioned this one or two times in the past, but I want to say the price was a little bit higher last time. I could be wrong. Maybe that was a vessel set that I was looking at. I can't remember, but I've ordered a couple of Labear products since finding them on Amazon a little over a year ago, and I've been impressed. Weekend wear, DIY, really good stuff. I think they actually put thought into their products. There's a lot of Amazon brands that just sell the same thing as everybody else, and sometimes you look at the product and you're like, you feel like it was slapped together. Nobody, they're just trying to sell a product. Labear actually has products that you don't really see all of these other brands selling. Now, maybe not specifically this set, but they have like bit ratchet, a folding bit ratchet, and then they just have a few products that are intriguing, or I found interesting over the last year or so. And they have a really nice bit set that comes with a bit ratchet and sockets, spline drive sockets, but still a really nice set that you don't see a bunch of other brands selling. So I think Labear's done a good job of actually picking the tools that they want to sell instead of just trying to sell everything on the face of the planet. This is $35, not on sale, 4.9 stars, 16 ratings. Here is everything included in this set. So you got Phillips, you got posi drive, you got square, hex, Torx. Then you also have magnetic nut setters, a magnetic bit holder. I think it's a pretty nice little set. But this is just another one from Labear that I figured I'd mention because I've been pretty impressed with the brand since trying out a few of their products. Next up is some shop lighting. If you have poor lighting in your shop or garage, it is, back in the day, it was kind of a pain to install lighting. Now it is extremely simple. You have all these easy to hang linkable lights that can literally take one or two plugs or one or two outlets, and you can have more lighting than you could ever dream of. Now this is just one random one that I found that was a good deal and rated a lot and rated highly, but there are tons of other brands out there. I have 4 in my garage. I think I picked 2 up from Menards and 2 up somewhere else, but they're all linked together, and anytime I'm working on the car, it is fantastic having that extra lighting. And the fact that you can get a 10 pack of these, they are 4400 lumens, they are at a 6500K color temperature, so it says cool daylight. You can get them at a different temperature. They got the housings in all white, or you can get them in 5K if you prefer that over the 65K color temperature. They are 4-foot lights, so they are 40 watt, equivalent to a 250 watt light, for $72 on sale. Full price is $90. That's still a ridiculously cheap price. And while these aren't the specific ones that I have, I still think this is a fantastic deal. But like I said, there are tons of other brands that sell multi-packs like this. As you can see here, just multiple of them online. This one just had a lot more ratings and reviews and still rated highly, so I figured this was a good one to mention. So if you work in a dimly lit area and you want an affordable option for more permanent lighting solution, this is going to be a lot better than moving around a shop light or a work light, you know, around to try and provide light. Here you can get all the light you could need. So 4.6 stars, 4,302 ratings. Next up is the Craftsman 20-volt cordless drill driver kit, 1/2-inch chuck. This is going to include a battery and a charger for $52, just under $52, from a list price of $100. Now, if you guys follow the channel, you guys know I am not a big Craftsman fan. Every once in a while you can find a good deal from them, but I stick with the two brand power tools that I have used for years. There's nothing wrong with a lot of other brands out there. It's just I've already dedicated myself to those two brands. I don't want any more chargers or batteries than I have to have. So I just stick to those two brands. It just keeps it simple. But Craftsman, haven't been real impressed with, but that's just me. If you're one that isn't picky about having multiple chargers or different types of batteries for each tool, if that's not a big deal to you, I think this is a good deal. Not saying it's a fantastic, great drill, but if you just need something for the shop and garage, the fact that this comes with a charger, a battery, and the drill for basically $50, that's not bad at all. I mean, this is the lowest it's been. It used to sell at 80, then it went up to just under 100, then it came back down to 70, and then dropped to 60, and now we're basically at 50. Can't really beat that pricing. Most people pay that much just for a battery, so let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 4.7 stars, 5,366 ratings. Last up on today's video, it's going to be the Dewalt torque wrench set. This is a tire changing set. So this torque wrench operates between 50 and 250 foot-pounds. It's a 12-piece set with a storage case. I don't think this is a bad option at all. The typical price is $125. It's down to $110. You got the torque wrench, you got a breaker bar, and then it includes sockets and a case to organize it all as well. The head of the torque wrench actually has a rubberized sleeve over it, so that's pretty nice. There you can see the layout inside the case. I'm trying to see where the socket sizes are. It just says 1/2-inch drive. You gonna tell me what sockets are in here? By golly, make me work for it. You didn't put any details in here of what sizes are included. Am I missing it? Here it just says 1/2-inch torque wrench, 1/2-inch breaker bar, carrying case, SAE and metric, 5 varying sizes. So you get 5 SAE, 5 metric. Just be happy with what you get. I mean, obviously, they're going to be your more common lug nut sizes, but I mean, if you're going to sell something, I mean, at least show the sizes included. But I still think it's a good deal. A torque wrench with a breaker bar and 10 sockets with a carrying case at $110. Most people pay that just for a torque wrench. So I don't think this is a bad option at all. This has 4.8 stars, 412 ratings, but all of these will be linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.